up? Today I am talking fall fashion trends, but not any kind of trend. We're talking about 7 fall trends to shop before anyone else. These are trends that are not necessarily mainstream yet, so if you like to be a trendsetter, then listen up. Number 1 is a quilted jacket. Now, these exist somewhere between a puffer coat and a bomber jacket, but this is one piece that you're not gonna have to take off when you go inside because you're not wearing it to keep you warm. It's not really an outerwear piece. If anything, it's just that third magical piece that makes up your outfit. That just adds a little something to it. Now, in the fall 2021 runways, we saw these all over the place. From Max Mara to Low to Kenzo, they like overran the runways, but they are classic and they are really cute. I love this one that I have found from Anthropologie. It is a quilted vest. It is a standout piece, a really beautiful pattern, but you're gonna find a lot of different ways to wear it, whether it's just a long sleeve t-shirt underneath or even a really pretty blouse. Number 2 are printed pants. Pants are the backbone to our wardrobe, especially in the fall and winter. We are wearing these a lot more often than we are dresses or skirts. But here's the thing, boring pants this season are out. They just are being kicked to the curb and being replaced with a pant that's just a little bit more exciting, whether it has some ribbing or, oh my gosh, some leather or a really cool printed motif. There is a party pant for everyone. And if you want to try a louder pant, I recommend keeping the rest of your outfit neutral, from your top to your shoes to your bag and your accessories. This is the party pant, so let it do the talking. This season, the color Bubblegum Pink was sprinkled all across the runways from Carolina Herrera to Ferragamo. It is like the newest playful color for fall 2021. Now this pink is not pastel. It is more of a saturated pink, honestly like a true brighter bubblegum pink. And you can wear it from head to toe, monochromatically, maybe in a pantsuit or a dress. But if that seems like too much, then just choose it in an accessory like a bag or even some shoes. I found these really cool shoes from Zara. They're gorgeous, but this is a color that's just fun to inject some personality into your wardrobe. Number 4 is a chunky loafer. Now, my husband, bless his heart, thinks that fall is football season. I happen to think that fall is loafer season. But this season, we are going to up our game a little bit, quite literally, by finding a loafer that has a higher heel. So you can either go super chunky, like a lug sole, or you can keep it a little bit more refined and classic. And every brand is starting to have their own version of these. So you can splurge on a Prada loafer that is gorgeous and classic, but it is like a lot of money. If you're not quite there yet, then you can find one from Franco Sardo or Sam Edelman. Even H&M has a really good loafer. So I'm gonna link down below a lot of different options in a lot of different price points. The 5th trend to shop before everyone else is one that just kind of takes me back to high school. Casey, will you go there with me? I've got the tanned skin read like orange. I've also got the little heart shape cut out from all of my trips to the tanning bed. But most importantly, I'm looking at that popped Lacoste polo shirt. You know what I'm saying? Polos are back, and they are back in all knits. But for the fall, look for one in a lighter sweater versus that thin cotton tee. Some are fitted, some are more loose, some have buttons like a true polo, some are open like a V-neck collared sweater. So there is a comfy polo sweater for everyone. I'm especially digging this striped one from J. Crew. It is classic and beautiful. I also love the little bit of the fluttered collar. And then this Target one, I have it, I love it. It feels like a cashmere. It's ridiculously soft. I would recommend sizing up so you can wear it a little bit more loose and casual. Number 6 is claw clips, oversized scrunchies, and bows. Yes, this is a big ol' nod to the 90s, but it is just a really chic way to wear your hair and also make a statement. So if you want to wear the oversized scrunchie or the bow, I recommend doing your hair in a low bun and then wrapping the scrunchie or the bow around it. If you want to wear the claw clip, well, you can go to TikTok, because I saw that there was this big old trend going around on how to wear claw clips, and I thought,
great! Another way to wear a claw clip.
No.
There is only one way to wear the claw clip, and it aged me about 40 years. I felt like I was an old grandma watching these teens do a claw clip. because there is only one way. And if you don't know that way, let me blow your minds. Boom. The last trend to shop before everyone else are quilted, textured, and puffy handbags. And these types of bags are not going away anytime soon. They're just not. And as a little side note, they are comfortable, like your own personal little pillow just to snuggle up against. And designers are having a lot of fun with the puffier shapes and the puffier materials. So if you want to go a little bit more dressy, find a bag in a leather or even a faux leather. If you want to keep it casual, look for materials such as cottons, twills, or denim. But there is a handbag for everyone at all different price points. As always, I will link down below a lot of options for all of these trends if you want to shop them. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. You can also subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, hit that little red button down below. I love having more people in my YouTube family. I just love you guys. So thanks for watching. See you soon.